sa race sa Davao 70.3, especially niya tantor kami. Kas kami makakuha last year sa Tribu Maisugun 2023. Tapos gito tawag nila na Maisugun, 11 tribes duduro.
As much as possible, nagtutulungan kami. Hindi lang ako ang tumutulong, halos lahat kami.
Just focus on yourself, focus on what you've been doing the past few months, and sure enough, you guys are gonna be happy with your results.
Nami-maintain lang namin yung sinasabing #1 team dito sa Pilipinas.
My message for the team is to trust the training that Coach Annie has been giving them and preparing them for the past few months. To forget about all the noise that they're hearing around. To not be pressured and to basically really just have fun.
Pumangninnakan po na inshallah na maka-enjoy yung po so race. Di nyo tanto pressure na ginawa nyo, enjoy nyo po. Tapos maka-perform ka no na biya-biya, maka-focus ka no.
And remember that why they're racing, for whatever purposes that they may have, everybody has their own individual purpose on why they're racing or why they're doing this or why they're trying to do their best.
Huwag kayong ma-pressure. Enjoy lang natin to, makuha or hindi makuha, at least we enjoy and we give it all. Inshallah, mapita. Ugma. Siyempre sa everyday ng mga programs, sa mahaba ng mga training programs, puhunan talaga yung katawan. Pag hindi okay yung katawan, hindi in good shape, wala. Mahirapan tayo sa training.
It doesn't hurt me. Do you wanna feel how it feels? Do you wanna know that it doesn't hurt me?
Sa Sotawa, sumusuportar kami. So mga pamilya kami, gusto mga sponsor kami. Magulang na sumusuportar kami lang na tawa kila nami sumusuportar kami. Ito pakakuan kami sige special race kami man to.
Sometimes mentally dehydrated, no? Yung parang drain na drain yung utak mo.
But you try as much as possible to not be nervous about it, more excited and kind of control it. Try S&D Barracuda, defend the title.
Make a deal with God. No end to small promises. Even up that road, even up that hill, with no promise. So follow me then. Make a deal with God. No end to small promises. Even up that road, even up that
So maka-motivator ka kang bunag, di pamigiran na kailangan na ma-defend namin. So mugir kami sa bugar namin sa mga pamilya mi, sa mga supporters para positive. So resulta o resame. Gito ba ipipikir na kan para di siran madismaya o tunay mapikiran da makuha. Pero inshallah, pamangin namin ko wala makuha mi so maisugod.